So today we are going to cover a new topic, which is law of diminishing marginal utility. So this law comes under the Cardinal Utility Approach, and let's first of all understand that what is marginal utility. So marginal utility is nothing but the additional benefit we get by consuming any extra unit of commodity. So whatever the additional benefit we are getting, that is marginal utility. So why does this marginal utility keeps on decreasing, or why does it diminishes? So this law was first of all given by German economist H.H. Gaussen, and he said that basically the more of a commodity which we are going to acquire, the utility which we are going to derive from it is going to reduce, or it is going to be less. And if we look at it into the terms of Alfred Marshall, he defined it as the additional benefit a person derives from a given increase of his stock of anything diminishes with the growth of the stock he has. So the best example to understand this concept is through the concept of eating a banana. So for example, if I'm feeling too much hungry at any particular point of time, and I ate banana, the first banana is going to give me the maximum utility. For example, it is giving 20 utils. Then the second banana I'm going to eat after that is also going to give me satisfaction. It is also going to give me utility, but it is going to be less as compared to the first banana. So I can say that it might give me 18 utils, and then it will keep on going until the point that I have reached the satisfaction or satiation, the point of satiation where my stomach is completely filled. Now, if in case I eat one more banana after that, then it is going to give me a negative utility or disutility, because my stomach is completely full, and if I eat something even after that, it is either going to come out or it is going to cause issues in my stomach. So that is when the concept of negative utility comes. So that's how you can understand this concept of law of diminishing marginal utility. And then there are some assumptions of this law. The first assumption is that homogeneous of the commodity. The commodity should be same in the size, color, taste, freshness, and maturity. So it should be homogeneous product. It should not keep on changing in these aspects. Then the second assumption of this law is that the consumption process should be continuous. There should not be any gaps between them. Like for example, if I'm eating one banana right now, it should not be like that I'm eating the second banana after 3 hours. It should be happening continuously. Then the third assumption is that there are some things of the consumer which should not change, like its taste, the consumer's taste, preference, and income should not change in this process. Then there are the importance of the law is basically like we can derive this law of demand and law of substitution, which is law of equimarginal utility, through this law of diminishing marginal utility. And then there are some exceptions of this law. This law doesn't hold true for the people who are gamblers, who have got addiction of some kind, or who love to perform their hobbies. So this is what law of diminishing marginal utility says.